So as you can see, we are installing the iVolt Pro into the Thar right now. This is the first time we are doing this in Felicity Detailing Studio. And hence we have Mahesh here from Thinkware India Official, who is going to be doing this task. And here you can see that he has done the connections. This is the input wire, which is directly connected to the fuse box of the Thar using the fuse tabs which were shown earlier. And this is the output, which will be fed into the dashcam. We'll explain more as the process continues. So during the beginning, I had mentioned about something called the fuse tabs. This is a fuse tab. The purpose of the fuse tab is, as you know, we have the input cable, the output cable, the power supply cable, all kinds of cables available in this package. So the purpose of the fuse tab is to put this directly into the fuse box. It's as simple as that.